Hi, Norma.
Hi, honey.
Hi.
I have spent my afternoon gutting chickens that we have slaughtered today. I'm in seventh heaven because what I do is I take my hands and I reach up and grab out those innards, and it's just an incredible, sensuous feeling.
Could you turn the chicken crotch toward the camera?
Yeah, see up in there? Woo! Here it comes. Yum, yum. Where our food comes from. Watch this.
God, there's a chicken?
Ooh, I feel the lungs. Ooh, I feel the
Oh, look at that neck. She's got quite a grip on that neck, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay. Up.
While Norma works on that chicken, we'll, oh, I can't tip the camera. So, Ray,
Yeah.
what are you doing?
Here's your chicken feet, Norma. Scooping out chicken lungs.
Say what?
I said I'm scooping out chicken lungs.
Oh.
Oh.
Brian, you
He's
too?
not using them anymore.
Actually, I am assessing the most efficient location to enter the anal cavity of this chicken.
Yeah. Uh-huh. You're right on. There you go.
Here comes mine. Woohoo!
Oh, yeah. Norma's ripping the insides out of that chicken.
I had to try it.
It's a hell of a thing to say.
There is the result.
Now, we have to be very clear. We got no secrets out of these chickens before this point.
I don't know. One told me.
Shut up.
Okay, so now what I have...
Nothing. We heard nothing.
Okay.
Useless intelligence.
This is the lung right here.
Uh-huh.
And here's the other lung.
Wait a minute. We're getting closer here. Slow down. Oh, you just throw away a lung. Wait a minute.
I did. And here's the heart. It goes in that bucket there. And here's the liver that I'm separating from the green gallbladder.
Don't throw it until I...
Okay.
Uh-huh. Right. Now I'm going to pan back, pull back, and then where's that going?
That's going in the save pile.
All right.
And this is... Oops. I just cut the intestinal tract, which has stuff in it. So I have to cut around the anus of the chicken, which is right there.
Don't you just love that witch laugh?
Here goes. And there we are.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.